the famous Train Street. 9:30 we've been told the trains come here, but I'm hoping it's going to come here a bit earlier. This is pretty cool though. This is crazy. There's a lot of people here. So if you want to get a seat, I'd come here nice and early, but I don't know, it's very busy. Everyone's got all excited. The whistle's gone. People are getting all crazy. Oh, they're putting their phones in there. Crazy, man. He's going to take a photo of the underneath of a train. Geez, I'd laugh if someone stole that phone.
On to the top.
Sit down. Here comes the train. Do 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 do. That is close. That is very close. Lunatic's bloody touching it. He is a lunatic. The guy is touching the train. Pretty long train. You would not get away with doing this back home. At all. Well, you can do both sides, but I'm only doing the one side today. Guarantee that that's not going to happen for much longer or for years to come, because some dickhead will do something. There already was some people doing some stupid things then.